Ni hao, y'all! I'm Natalie King, founder and owner of Chinese Southern Belle. Today, we're going to make Chinese cream cheese puffs, also known as stuffed or filled wontons, or crab ragoon. The basic ingredients are simple, but so good. It's fried and has cream cheese in it. What could be better? You can have them actually savory or with a little pepper jelly. Since I'm from Georgia, I like it with peach preserves. Or mango's really good too. Here's what you need. A little cream cheese, some scallions, crab stick if you want it to be like a crab ragoon. A beaten egg makes the filling a little fluffier and lighter, and the wonton skin wrappers. The trick is in the shape and making it pretty after you fry it. Take a wonton wrapper and you dab a little bit of egg yolk on each of the edges. This is our glue. We'll make sure that the wrapper stays intact when we drop it in the oil. Put in some of your filling. Again, this can be sweet or savory, and if you want it sweet, this is when you put a little dab of your jam in. And what I'm going to do is gather everything up in the middle. Okay? All the little points together into a little pocket. So pinch the edges together into a little box. And make sure all the edges are sealed and there are no holes.
Good.
So gently put those babies in. And if you seal them tightly, they will start floating up. When it's golden brown and crispy, remove the puffs and put them on a few layers of paper towels to soak up the extra oil. They're real good if you serve them with homemade sweet and sour sauce or a little pepper jelly. Be careful, the filling's hot. You won't be able to eat just one. I'm Natalie King with Chinese Southern Belle. See y'all later.